few moments later.
Make a slight right turn on North Sabino Canyon Road using the upcoming right lane.
Today I'm going to show a video where I almost got rear-ended by using autopilot on a Tesla Model 3. So here it is. So let me play. Keep an eye on this white car right here. That's my rear cam. And he's coming. Autopilot slams the brake because this Nissan in front was slowing down. And boom, he was distracted, so he couldn't keep up with how fast it was slamming the brake, and you saw how close he came, almost down to an inch. Let's see that again in a little bit of slower speed. Here, watch this closely as this guy slows down, not even braking here. My car slams the brake right here, and he couldn't keep up, and he goes on to the other lane, kisses my car, but just within an inch, no scratches, and I go my merry way. And he was pretty shaken, you can see. So anyway, just want to point out that's what happens when you use autopilot, unless every car in the road is capable of some sort of autopilot or collision warning system. You can also see that while the car slammed the brake, I could sense the other car from the back coming towards me, and I pulled forward real quick at the same time he was swaying into the other lane. So both of us, the last second right there reflects of me pulling forward and him pulling to the side, kind of saved this rear end. And this is where I have a problem with the way autopilot brakes. It's not human-like. Even though you saw so much gap in front, it was trying to stop way before it's needed to stop. And this is where my problem is. They need to refine this much better, and this is why you can't trust autopilot to just drive on its own unless you pay constant attention and to be ready to be intervening whenever necessary. So there you have it. See you in the next video.